Tuanjie New Village of Hotan City, northwest China's Xinjiang Uyghur Autonomous Region was built 7 years ago as part of a relocation project. The new village now has 534 households, with 1,047 villagers from different ethnic groups. In 2014, Erkan Tursuntoti moved from Kashgar town of Hotan City to Tuanjie New Village. His neighbor is Fan Xiaokun. Each of the two families has been allocated a greenhouse and a land for free. Fan, who has several years of experience on vegetable planting, patiently taught Tursuntoti to grow vegetables.
Saychangni qanda tirishni qolmay, qo'shnim Loppan bilan kurashib, bu o'zidan pul chiqarib mashinani akelib, saychangga tikishib berib, saychang tirishni o'rgatdi. O'rgatgandan keyin men 2015-yili kirimimni zo'r darajada oshirib, namratlikdan qutuldim. Hozirda 7-8 saychangni o'z oldig'imga.
但是嘛，我们互相说话听不懂。 这种手比划，最后他学了一点汉语，我学了一点维语。我们现在简单的事情可以沟通，可以互相说，互相都听懂。
Men Loppan bilan tanishg'ili 7 yil bo'libdi. 7 yil yanqisi o'zaro kuyinib, o'zaro yordam berish orqali Loppan bilan aka-ini bulab o'tdik. Aka-ini bulab qon qarindoshlar bulab o'tdik. Bundan keyin o'rtaq tirishib turmushimizni taxmi yaxshilaymiz.
我们村的各族群众相处的和谐融洽，邻居之间经常交往交流，互相帮助，大家的生活越来越好了。去年本村人均收入达到15000元，团结让我们生活越来越和谐，团结让我们村发展越来越好。